getting you affluent, but also protecting you. Let the company protect the greatest asset that they have. It is you, all of you. And it is also high time for you to protect your greatest asset. Sino? Yung mga tao ninyo. Let me remind you, I'm sure you're aware of this, you won't be where you are right now. You won't have what you have right now if not for the people. So this time, let's protect the greatest asset that we have. Allow the company to protect the greatest asset. Yung tao kayo po. And at the same time, we want you to protect your greatest asset. Lahat po ng tao nyo. So presenting our next target, o hindi man target, our battle cry, our purpose on the 15th year, our campaign is Orbis Victus International or Orbis Victus. Pakitype nyo nga kung medyo malinaw sa inyo. Tama po na rin nyo. Orbis Victus. Yan, pakitype lang as I drink my water. I'm also encouraging you to drink your water. Yan, tama ka, John Mark. Drink water para ma-refresh po yung brain nyo so you'll be more receptive. Ako inom lang. Yan. Naririnig. UAE, si Jim Carr, sila, ang dami. Orbis Victus, tama. So, it's a combination of 3 words. No? Tama po yung naririnig nyo. Hindi ba mali yung pronunciation ni Adrian? Hindi ba siya wrong pronouncement? So, tama po. Kung napapansin niyo po, nakita niyo ba yung arrow? Okay, yung cursor. Malaki po, sinadya. Yan, naririnig na. Yung XV. Yung X po is pronounced as letter S. S po. Kaya Orbis. Orbis. Yung V, Victus. So yung sinadya pong lakihan yung XV, it's a Roman numerical symbol for 15. Tama? XV is 15. So, gaya po ng sinabi ko, kasi this campaign was born, okay, was conceptualized on the 15th year of your company in Global or EC. Now, yung Orbix po or Orbis, it's a compass. Isang Roman numerical symbol, tapos po yung Orbis at saka Victus, it's a Latin word. So ang ibig sabihin po ng Orbis ay compass. Pag compass, alam naman natin ang compass symbolizes what? No? Yung compass, alam niyo ba yung compass? Na yung may kamay that is always pointing to the north, which signifies movement. Hindi siya standstill or stagnant. So compass also symbolizes guidance, direction, and positive movement. Okay? This time, hindi lamang tayo magpapayaman, hindi lamang kayo mag-equip ng tao, but this time you will, yes, continue to guide them, direct them to become victus, o kaya victory or victor. Ang victus means life or victory and success. So this time, hindi lamang natin sila magiging hayaan or ang target natin is for them to be successful on the wealth aspect or on the income aspect, but also in life. Kasi all of those things will be useless if you're a failure in life. So you will continue to equip people, to inspire people, to change lives of people, but at the same time, guide them not just to be successful in bringing in, material wealth, hindi lang yung pera, yung mga sasakyan, but also to be victor or have victory in life. Okay, so OVI, pakitype nga, OVI, para may OVI, okay? Orbis Victus International. Ayun, bibilis naman ito, nakakatuwa naman ito, gaganaan na naman si Miko mag-present nito, malamang di na kami umuwi nito. Wala sa aming curfew, kung sabihin. Ayan, lumamig. Okay, again, so Orbis Victus International. Now, gaya ng sinabi ko, this is a campaign, no? Now, nabanggit natin kanina, one of the greatest method of expansion is innovation. Pero alam niyo ba, nabanggit ko rin kanina, hindi lamang innovation. Nandyan yung merging, nandyan yung use of technology, nandyan yung partnering. Okay, that's why your company partnered with the best. No? Alam naman natin si Doc hindi basta-basta. And the board of directors are not just getting just, no? Basta-bastang partner. Nakuha nila yun dahil mga puro Pinoy ito. Ordinary partner. Kailangan din malaki. Dapat kasi pang matagalan to. So presenting our partner, Igloo. Yan. Ang Igloo po, ang ating partner when it comes to technology. They will be our technology provider. Kasi yung gagawin po natin dito, hindi lang basta innovation. Merong innovation in a sense of technology. In fact, higher level of technology, mamamangha kayo rito. No, although it is high-tech, o yung sinasabi ng iba, high-tech, pero it will be simple, painless, honest, accessible, napakadali. At you will desire, you will love it. So gone are the days na may mga pahirap ang protection. Para napupunta ka sa opisina, layo, dahil pipirmaan, ang tagal. All of those things are things of the past because of this. Yan, Igloo po. Kung makikita nyo naman ang ating kanilang mga customer, kilalang-kilala po yung mga iba, nandyan po yung Food Panda, mga sikat din naman Red Doors, ang GCash. They are also the technology provider. At syempre yung sikat na sikat, Shopee! Okay. So, ayan, patuloy, pakita ko pa po ang kanilang ibang mga partners. Yan, very intelligent kasi AI. Ano yung AI? Artificial Intelligence po ang gagana rito. Ano yun? Papaliwanag na kaunti ni Miko yan, makikita nyo. Pero, less ang human intervention in layman's term. No? Kasi pag may maraming human factor, minsan yung error, mataas yung percentage, mabagal because pag tinatamad yung nag-aasikaso, dito, hindi. Kasi computer o technology ang magpa-follow up sa'yo. Technology ang magsasabing kulang pa ang requirements mo. In fact, why this would be very desirable? Kasi mabilis. Magugulat kayo mamaya. Now, sino pa yung mga ibang partners o kanilang pino-provide ng technology? Kilalang-kilala na rin. So I'm sure one way or the other, you were able to encounter them. No? Ayan yung mga nag-certify sa kanila, nag-partner sa kanila, and somehow they have provided service with this company na has been existing for quite some time. Wala pa tayo sa mundo na to, nandiyan yung mga iba. So siya or si Igloo ang kanilang technology provider or technology provider. Now, ang Igloo is licensed and regulated by Labuan Financial Service Authority. Ito yung regulatory framework. Ibig sabihin ng regulatory framework, ito yung nagbabantay, nag-ensure na dapat magawa ang pinangako, maibigay ang pinangako. Huwag sosobra kasi baka malugi yung mga mag-i-invest o mga kukuha. So, ang Labuan Financial Service Authority is in Malaysia. So, tingnan nyo, it's a mid-shore jurisdiction that provides financial services to non-residents. So, kahit hindi sila resident, ang Igloo, they were able to obtain license to operate, license to do the system that we will be using, they'll be using, no? Kahit hindi sila taga Malaysia, because that is the power of this Labuan Financial Service Authority. No, sila po ang na-certify with the system, tinignan, binantayan, tapos yung Igloo. Yung Igloo po nakipag-partner o tayo po nakipag-partner sa kanila. So, somehow ganito, we will be the marketing aggregator or the marketing arm of the system. Yan. So nag-partner, kaya we can both use and benefit what each company can offer. Naintindihan niyo po? Ayan. Sabi ng isang attendee, si Nerly ba, call. Wow! Malaysia! Malayo-layo dito sa amin sa yun? Malayo-layo daw sa KL, sa Kuala Lumpur. Okay, yan po ang nagre-regulate, okay? Nagre-regulate sa gagawin natin. Binabantayan ng IC. Ibig sabihin, may regulatory framework, may yung sandbox, no? It's like a testing ground. Yung mga gagawin po, mga bawal, hindi pwede, mga limitations na pinrovide natin ay regulated, licensed, so therefore we can operate. Okay? Now, a few more things about what I've been saying for quite some time. Ang sinabi ko po, narinig nyo na, ano ba yan? Insurance, protection, tsaka technology. Siguro you can still recall na part of expansion is what? Technology, tapos merging, pinagsama. Remember? Ito po, pinagsama. Narinig nyo na siguro yung InsurTech or InsurTech. So insurance and technology. So again, not just, going to or using or working or thriving in two industry, but also using two products At the same time, combining those products tapos technology. Ano yun? Malalaman nyo mamaya. It will be a disruptor. Kasi it is not just an innovation. Innovation on a different level. Kasi nga, gaya ng sinabi ko, hindi ka na kailangan pumunta sa opisina kahit nasaan ka. Kahit nasa ibang bansa ka. Kaya nga, ito na yung produktong tanong ng mga taga Macau. No? Paano kami? Walang office. Paano yung produkto? Dadali namin dyan. Ito na po yung magandang mangyayari. No? So it will be more efficient. Gaya na sinabi ko kasi it's powered by artificial intelligence, technology po. Very accessible kasi sa telepono lang. Kahit nasan ka, you can cover, protect, or insure people. Mabilis ang application. Ano lang, less than siguro, we've tried it out. Actually, nag-try kami bago namin pinaran, in-insure yung ating mga empleyado muna. Inuna po yung empleyado. In fact, all of the employees of your easy business are now sealed. Tingnan niyo sa Facebook, sealed na yan 2 weeks ago. Next, kayo na po. At ang inyong mga mahal sa buhay at mga kaibigan. Now, gaya ng sinabi ko, 2 minutes, less than 2 minutes. In fact, 3 minutes, siguro 3 to 5 minutes pag mabilis kayong maglagay ng mga basic informations that you need. Tapos pag pasok nyo dito, may isisendan nyo lang. 2 minutes! 2 minutes! Ganun kadali. Para ka na nag-fill up ng application sa mga apps na dina-download mo. Padala mo ron, after 2 minutes, meron kang marireceive na text. Tapos, another, mga ganun, total of 3 minutes, marireceive mo na yung ECOC. Okay? Electronic Certificate of Coverage. O yung mas kilala ng marami na matagal na, yung policy. Ibig sabihin, within 2 minutes, marireceive mo na yon, nandito na lahat. Wala ka nang dalang papel, nandito lahat sa cellphone mo o syempre sa laptop. Now, it will be very competitive because even the price, the coverage, naku, makikita nyo, why competitive? Ang baba, halos mas mababa pa nga tayo sa iba. In fact, kapantay na, pero yung benefit na ibibigay sa inyo ay way too much, no? Talagang napaganda. So it will be a game changer. Kaya kakaiba to, kaya nga sinabi, InsurTech, ang daming bago, innovations to the next level. Okay, talagang ready na iba. Nakita ko si Ian, sabi, kilala ko yung isang gwapo na yung nasa Uganda. Sabi, ang gwapo nung nagsasalita. Ang linaw ng mata. Okay, now, are you ready? Are you ready, guys? Presenting, ang lupit daw, ang lupit. Presenting our first product, first of the so many products that OV or your Easy will be offering is Seal Pro. Pakitype nga. Yes daw. Seal Pro. Pakitype. Seal Pro. Pag sinabing seal, sealed. Sarado, bantay. Okay, tapos. Sabi nga sa Nigeria, bagam. Nothing follows. Ibig sabihin, sarado na. Pero it's an acronym, no? Ang seal, yan, tama yung spelling nyo. Yan, very good. Dapat alam niyo yung produkto. Lahat sunod-sunod. Grabe, oh. Wow. It's an acronym po. Yung seal, no, more than just sealing person or people or protecting. Ang ibig sabihin po ng seal is self-empowered asset and life protection. Bakit self-empowered? Kasi ma-empowered ka. Aside from you being protected lamang, yan na yung mga nakaugalian eh. Protected. This time, bakit empowered? Kasi you can earn from it. Meron pong financial empowerment program. Di ba? Protected ka na, pwede ka pang kumita. Policy holder ka na, okay? Yung lagi namin sinasabi. But this time, you are not just a policy holder. Kung pagbabasihan mo pa rin yung dating mga sinasabi, yung policy, you are an empowered policy holder. Kasi you have protected people, at the same time, you will earn from it. Kasi may financial empowerment program. I'm sure excited kayo dyan. Grabe, wala to. Seal Pro. Now, bakit natin kailangan maging protected? Number one, kasi all of the things you have worked for, you have empowered, you have equipped for the last several years. Kung pioneer ka dito sa ating kumpanya, 15 years ka na, 5 years, 5. Gaya ng sinabi ko, blood, sweat, and tears ang puhunan mo. You don't want to lose them. And it could, something can happen to all those things in an instant. Di ba? Yung nangyari na, ang dami. Meron nga isang basketball player, di ba? Sikat na sikat, sumakay ng helicopter. Malay ba niyang last na sakay na pala niya yun? So hindi naman natin sinasabi na mangyari yun. Pero it's better to be prepared, no, than to be sorry. Di ba? Paano yung mga may iwan natin na mahal sa buhay? Okay? Now, why do you need why do you need to get sealed? Because to protect your assets, your income and your assets from unexpected events, no, yung mga hindi natin inaasahang bagay. Ang wala namang permanent dito sa mundo, change is, that's one that is permanent in this world, change. Pati yung tawag dito, yung, ano ba yung sasabihin ko? Meron pang dalawang hindi permanent in this world, that's change, security. Oh, di ba? Hindi naman permanent, hindi mo maano, and confidence. No, or tama ba confidence? Saan ba ako napunta doon? Security. Certainty. Yun, sorry. Ayun, buti na lang nandito si OB1. Mamaya makikilala niyo si OB1. Ako si OB2. Si OB Kenobi. So anyway, ayun, yung from unexpected events, hindi natin na masasabi na ngayon, okay, in an instant, it could be gone. No? So, dami. Nung last few days lang, alam niyo ba, last few days nangyari sa Pilipinas, bumagyo, who would ever think na babaha ng ganun kalalim? In fact, ako na-stranded ako ng almost 24 hours at ang raming na-permisyong sasakyan. Tama? Tsaka alam nyo ba, bakit kailangan maging protected? Yung sasakyan nga, pinoprotect siya. Bakit mo kailangan ikaw ma-protect siya na o ma-insure? Yung sasakyan niya, pag binili mo hindi mo malalabas ng kasa dapat may insurance. Tama? Totoo yan. Motor, hindi mo marirehistro yan pag walang insurance, pag hindi siya protected. Ang maganda rin, ang nakakatuwa rito, yung sasakyan, protected. Yung driver, hindi. Yun lang. Kasi ang tingin natin sa mga insurance para sa atin, life insurance, kung ano man, accident insurance, gastos. Hindi ba mas malaking gastos pag may nangyari at wala ka nito? Nakakalungkot yung mamaya, may share si Miko, ang ganda ng pinag-uusapan namin. Ewan ko, pinost ata niya. Tingnan niyo yung post ni Miko. No? Siya magkukwento nun. No? So anyway, to protect your income. No? Bakit natin kailangan maging sealed? Tingnan niyo naman ang nangyari. Yung expenditure sa health sa Pilipinas, tingnan niyo, 684 billion. Tingnan niyo, halos kalahati po niyan, ang pinangbayad dyan ay galing sa bulsa. And ayaw natin yun. Kasi pag nangyari yun, it could almost cost you your fortune. Marami pong naging, isang malaking factor sa pagiging bankrupt ng isang tao, tignan niyo po sa statistics and data, yung na-bankrupt dahil sa health. Well, you have the money, yes, malaking kinikita mo, pero ayaw mo yung pinaghirapan mo for several years, mapunta lang sa pambabayad ng ospital, di ba? Ayaw natin yun. Maapektuhan yung buhay ng pamilya. Tignan niyo rito, 1.5 million family per year, no? Are being pushed sa poverty level. Bakit? Walang protection Nakaasa lang sa income tapos may nangyari dun sa ating breadwinner. What will happen to the life of the people na umaasa sa kanya? Di ba kailangan natin ng protection? Bakit? Para sa pamilya natin. Sa present ng ating pamilya at sa future. Lalo na pag ikaw ang breadwinner. Paano kung may nangyari sa'yo? Paano na lang yung mga umaasa sa'yo? Paano na lang yung mga pinag-aaral mo? Paano na yung future nila? Di ba? Ito yung sinasabi ko kailangan natin, pero tingin natin gastos, kaya hindi natin binibili. So, yung iba sinasabi, wala akong pamilya, wala akong asawa, wala naman akong anak, wala naman akong pinag-aaral o kung ano man. Wala, ako lang mag-isa. Di ba mas kailangan mo ng protection kasi wala kang aasahan if something happens to you? Paano kung nagpapagaling ka sa ospital, yung income mo hihinto yan Di ba maganda may pambayad sa ospital at habang nagpapahinga ka, merong income na pumapasok, yung tipong na-aksidente ka na, nasa ospital ka na, may pumapasok pang pera habang nagpapagaling ka. Di ba maganda yon? And at the same time, bakit kailangan natin maging sealed o maging protected? Well, to protect us from stress. Yung protection po na sinasabi natin, maaring hindi ikaw mag-benefit. Pero may isang benefit yan kung aking iisipin at ipapaalaga sa inyo. Ang isang benefit, no, ayaw mong makuha yung benefit na to eh. Pero isang benefit when you avail of the protection or insurance is peace of mind for you. Pag ikaw ay may peace of mind, less stress. At alam naman natin, ang stress, nagiging sanhiya ng mga sakit eh. Anong protection, anong benefit ng insurance? Peace of mind for you, financial benefit for your beneficiary. Kung may mangyari man sa inyo, wag na lang o wag naman, at least yung buhay ng pamilya mo tuloy-tuloy. 'Di ba? Pag may nangyari sa iyo, ang iyak ng pamilya mo sandali lang. 'Di ba? Ganun. Nasasabihin ng OV ng mga kayo, wag ka nang umiyak. Wag ka nang umiyak kasi may makukuha ka namang 3 million. Mapapahinto, di ba? Tapos yung luha, kumikinang, ang tawag para doon, tears of joy. Tawa na. Hindi, no, seriously, pinapatawa ko lang kayo. I'm sure, sa maiksing kwento ko sa inyo, naliwanagan kayo, I need that. No? Kailangan ko yan. Kailangan niya ng maraming kakilala ko. Pakitype mo nga kung kailangan mo to at kailangan ng marami ng mga kakilala mo. Pakitype mo nga dyan. And at the same time, bakit mo talagang kakailanganin to? Kasi, ayan, no, dami may kailangan. Kasi mayroong financial empowerment program. You will protect the people. No, nakakatulong ka na, not just enriching their lives, but protecting them at the same time while you protect people. Pwede po kayong kumita to sustain the lifestyle that you have, to continuously being a blessing to a lot of people. To explain further about the financial empowerment program, please welcome my better half. Kasi we've been working closely for the last 4 months, of course, with the board of directors headed by Doc Ed, with the guidance of the vice president. No? Talagang walang tulugan, 4 months, 5 months, malapit na! Please welcome my partner, Mr. Miko Imson.
Yes. Good morning everyone. Hello. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Magandang umaga, hapon, gabi. Nasaan man kayo ngayon? Different parts of the world. No? We have a lot of leaders coming from different parts of the world. Lahat ng mga OFW, basta Pilipino na humihinga. Andito ngayon mga kaibigan, lahat ng mga kapamilya natin, kapuso, kapatid. How are you guys? Kamusta po kayong lahat? Yes, I know most of you are very excited. Guys, this is one way for us to actually prepare for this coming August 15, no, na official soft launch or launching nitong ating new division. Kaya para prepare lahat ng leaders, we are prepping each and every one of you guys dito sa ating bagong division na talagang sagot sa maraming mga problema or mga iniisip ng mga OFW leaders natin, like for logistics, yung mga nahihirapan kayo in actually covering or bringing your products of EC in the countries na wala pa tayong opisina. Marami tayong mga partners na nagkakaroon ng konting mga challenges on that. But again, eto na po. On our new division, it is very, very exciting, no? Talaga namang nakakatuwa na nandito kayong lahat. We have 1,300 of you guys coming from different countries. So again, eto na, mga kaibigan, let me just continue what Sir Adrian has been discussing to you a while ago. Sir Adrian just gave you an overview, no? Yung pinaka-overview ng ating new division at saka kung bakit mo ba siya kailangan, why you need to get sealed. But again, you don't have to worry kasi ang maganda naman dyan, in the next coming few days and few weeks, pagdating ng August 15, so official launch natin, we will be releasing the official website. No, makikita niyo po yung official website. Mamaya papakita ko yung official Facebook page kung saan makakakuha kayo yung mga latest updates and news natin before August 15. But by August 15, you will be having your official website. And syempre, lahat ng mga binanggit ni Sir Adrian kanina, yung mga mindset, why you need to get sealed, you'll be getting a lot of your videos for that. So marami po tayong ilalabas na mga videos, mga marketing paraphernalias, mga marketing collaterals that you can actually use and utilize para po sa business ninyo to promote this new division that we have. So again, nabanggit kanina na Sir Adrian yung 3 wonderful points why you need to get sealed, di ba? Because your family deserves it, because your hard-earned asset deserves it, and because of course, you personally deserves it. So again, eto po, ladies and gentlemen, to continue off mindset, mga kaibigan, punta na tayo sa product demo. Alam nyo, throughout our marketing plan or throughout our presentation today, I'll be using some comparison with EC para at least kahit papano, mas madali nyo maintindihan kasi mas sanay na tayo sa EC. Alright? So, I'll be using some comparisons para mas madali nating mag-gets as leaders. By the way, this presentation is 95% final, the slides. We will be releasing the deck and the slides to each and every one of you once it's 100% final. Ibig sabihin, meron pa tayong mga konting tweak. Lahat yan will be finalized 100% by August 15. Kaya mark your calendar, ladies and gentlemen, that will be the official date of the official launching of Orbis Victus International. Ayan ha. So ito na. What is the first initial product ng ating OVI campaign? Ito po. Again, the initial product of Seal Pro. Alright? Again, pag sinabing initial, umpisa pa lang po to like what Sir Adrian has been mentioning a while ago. Kasi sa mga next coming few months and years, marami po tayong mga riders na ikakabit pa dito. Mas pagagandahin pa yung coverage. Mas marami tayong itatap na mga pangangailangan. Ngayon, we will be focusing on the accident coverage. Personal accident. Maliwanag po ba? So, dun muna tayo sa personal accident. But again, on the next coming months and years, we'll be looking forward on tapping on sickness, critical illness. We will be moving on a lot of other divisions on insurance like for example the non-life. Marami tayo sa non-life, like for example yung ating mga sasakyan, mga properties, marami po yan. Napakalaking industriya po niyan, mga kaibigan. So, as of the moment, let's focus on the accident. Alright? Ito po, initial product natin with OVI. Ito po yan, yung ating Platinum Seal Protection. Ayan, or Platinum Seal Pro. So, tandaan nyo, Seal Pro is the first product. Kumbaga, ito yung C24/7 or ito yung alive or complete natin sa EC. Kung nainabutan nyo po yung unang-unang product that was alive na complete natin ngayon. So after a few months and years sa EC, nagkaroon ng mga bagong produkto. Ganon din na ganon ang mangyayari sa OV. So magsimula muna tayo dito sa Seal Pro. Ito na, yung Platinum Seal Protection, you'll be covered. You'll be covered of 1 million personal accident coverage. So kamukhang-kamukha ito ng benevolent fund or assistance fund natin na kasama sa EC package. But this time, mas panilaki natin. At ang maganda dito, bukas sa lahat ng OFWs, right? Kasi last time doon sa EC natin, nalala nyo, syempre ang pwede lang i-cover yung mga nasa Pilipinas. But now, pwedeng-pwede na kahit yung mga nasa ibang bansa. Kasi nga, cloud-based ang technology, yung ating technological provider. You'll be giving us not a traditional insurance, but InsurTech. Alright? So it's artificially intelligence-powered, cloud-based technology po ito. Kaya kahit nasan ka sa iba't ibang bansa, pwedeng-pwede. Alright? So again guys, 1 million personal accident coverage, 1 million total permanent disability, 250,000 UMA or unprovoked murder and assault. We have 200,000 medical reimbursement. So alam niyo naman ito, pag na-hospital, na-aksidente, alright, nagpagaling sa ospital, lahat ng gastos mo sa ospital, lahat ng ibabayad mo, emergency room, ospital, kwarto mo, gamot, diagnosis, professional fees sa doctors, you accumulate all the total receipt, alright? And then you can reimburse that. Hindi mo na kailangan magpunta ng opisina at umuwi pa ng Pilipinas para ipakita yung mga resibong yan. Picturean mo lang, scan copy, you send it through the email do sa ating technological partner. Ladies and gentlemen, we will be giving you the claiming requirements, kung ano yung mga requirements at ano yung mga steps kung paano mag-claim sa claiming procedures. Madaling-madali po yan. Mas pinabilis po natin yan with our technological partner. So, simple, user-friendly ang interface. Basta picture lang ng mga resibo and everything, yung medical abstract, send mo sa email. The artificial intelligence will reply to you right away kung kulang pa yung documents mo. So, hindi na kailangan ng matagal pa na follow-up. Kapag tao, human intervention agent ng kausap ninyo, medyo matagal-tagal kasi pagbentahan ang bilis. Pero kapag claiming na, medyo bumabagal na. Alright, di na makita at matagpuan ang mga agent. No? Pero hindi ko po nila lahat. Okay? Pero marami pong ganyan. So, ang maganda dito, we minimize the human intervention, artificial intelligence powered, kaya mas mabilis ang follow-up, mas mabilis ang claiming, mas mabilis ang coverage. Alright? So again guys, medical reimbursement, send mo lahat. Pag pumasok sa 200,000 yung total gastos mo sa ospital, ibabalik po yan. Alright? So we will reimburse all of those expenses that you had in the hospital. And of course, on top of that, ito yung medyo bago. Medyo bago to. On top of that, may tinatawag na daily hospital income or DHI. Magkano? 2,000 per day for the maximum of 10 days. So on top of your total receipt na ginastos mo sa ospital, may income ka pa, pangpalit sa income po ito. Alright? Ito yung income replacement mo. 2,000 pesos araw-araw kung gaano ka man tumagal sa ospital. Kung 5 days ka, 2,000 per day, that's already 10,000 pesos for the next 5 days. Maximum of 10 days. Bakit kailangan ito? Like what Sir Adrian has been mentioning a while ago, one very important why you need to get sealed and protected and insured is because you want to protect your income and your cash flow and your lifestyle coming from unexpected or uncertain events na hindi natin gusto. So hindi naman natin kontrolado yan. So definitely, pag may nangyaring unexpected ang maganda, pag sealed ka, pag protected ka, hindi magagalaw yung cash flow mo. We want you to understand, habang nasa ospital ka, nagpapagaling ka, hindi ka makakahataw, hindi ka makakapag-invite, hindi ka makakabenta, wala kang magawa, nagpapahinga, nagpapagaling ka. So yung income mo na 50,000, 80,000, 100,000, or even 300,000 per month, yung cash flow mo na ngayon, na kinikita mo ngayon, may mga naka-allocate na dyan. Naka-allocate na yan pang operational expenses mo, pambili mo ng mga pang-araw-araw sa bahay, para sa pamilya, padala, right? Naka-allocate na yan. So ayaw nating galawin yan pag may unexpected event na nangyari. So pag may unexpected event na nangyari, gusto nating mangyari, ang pambayad mo dyan sa mga ospital, pambayad mo, hindi yung income mo, hindi out of the pocket, hindi galing sa bulsa. Alright, hindi natin babawasan yung cash flow. Seal Pro ang may bahala sa iyo dyan. Alright, i-reimburse yan sa iyo, ibabalik sa iyo even your income para protektado yung cash flow mo. Alright, does that make sense? Can you give us a thumbs up if that makes sense? And of course, ladies and gentlemen, burial assistance of 50,000 pesos. Magkano po ito? Now, pwede mong i-retail to 4,500 pesos. Alright, ang retail price ng Platinum Seal Pro. Alright? Term po ito. Pag sinabing term, you pay for a particular period of time. So hindi mo na kailangan bayaran to ng buwan-buwan. Mapansin niyo, yung ibang mga traditional insurances or traditional protection provider, they will ask a payment from you monthly, buwan-buwan. Alright? Now again, ito po, hindi na po buwan-buwan. One time, murang-mura, 4,500 for 1 year. Retail price. Maniwanag po ba yun? So for 1 year, next year magre-renew ka. Baka sabihin mo sa akin, Miko, meron akong alam, protection provider, buwan-buwan mas mura yan. Pero ang term ko, 5 years. O akala mo lang nakamura ka. Kasi 5 years kang naka-term. Binayaran mo siya for 5 years, buwan-buwan, hinimay-himay lang yun. Pero pag tinotal mo yung binayaran mo for 5 years, para kang gumastos ng 40, 50 to 60,000 pesos or more with the same coverage of 1 million. Pag hinimay-himay mo yun, di hamak na mas mura pa rin yung 4,500 per year. So kung tinimes mo to for 5 years, ganun din, nasa 20,000 pesos lang yan. So mga kaibigan, very, very competitive yan. And of course, as distributors, discounted ka pa. Pag distributor ka ng OBI or ng EC, makukuha at naka-NDPP ka to OBI, makukuha mo yan ng 3,000 pesos lang. Alright? So distributor price of 3,000 pesos yung Platinum Seal Protection for 1 year. Positional points, may marketing plan pa, may kitaan, 0.75. Positional points. Conditional points is 825. Malaki-laki po yan. And of course, repeat binary of 40. Yan, sinisinok. Okay lang. Eto na, kaibigan. Siyempre, meron tayong bronze. Bronze Seal Pro. So dito sa Bronze Seal Pro, para hindi natin pahabain to, kung anong laman ng platinum, yun din ang laman ng bronze. Kinalahati lang po natin lahat. Maliwanag? So half of all the inclusions of platinum, yun yung laman ni Bronze Seal Protection. Maliwanag yan, ha? 500,000 coverage nito, 500,000 personal accident, 500,000 total permanent disability. So, to compare it, kumbaga sa EC, meron tayong C24/7 blister pack and C24/7 retail pack. Ito po yun. So sa OV, meron tayong platinum na pang 1 million coverage at may bronze na pang 500,000 coverage. So parang itong bronze, ito yung retail pack natin na C24/7. Gets po ba? Give me a thumbs up kung gets na gets po. Alright? Magkano po yan? 3,000 pesos ang retail price niyan for 1 year. Makukuha mo sa distributor for 2,000 pesos. Positional points of 0.5, commissional points of 550, and repeat binary points of 25. Alright? So again, malaki-laki ang kitaan natin dito. Ang liwanag. So ito na. Guys, Bago namin nilaunch sa inyo to, we've done 3 to 4 to 5 months research and development. Of course, it's been our privilege with Sir Adrian Del Rosario, so, okay, ang mga OV Kanobi, OV1, OV2. It's been our privilege to be working hand in hand directly with our board of directors, especially Doc Ed, and of course, with our Vice President, Sir Arnel Limpin and Sir Jurgen Gonzalez. And research po, no, bago namin nilaunch sa inyo to, kaibigan, bago namin i-present sa inyo to, talagang pinulsuhan na po namin, alright, yung presyuhan natin sa mga traditional providers. And let me just show you a direct comparison of the retail price from other traditional, both local and international protection provider here in the Philippines. So if you're gonna think about it, guys, all are based in 1 million, 1 million term na accident coverage. Kung i-compare natin yan, kung competitive ba yung 4-5 natin, kung bibilin ba ng market yan, tingnan mo mabuti. Si PL Provider, hindi ko naman sasabihin yung pangalan ng kumpanya, kayo na pong bahala, acronym na lang. Si PL Provider, yung 1 million term, only for 1 year, na accident, personal accident coverage nila na 1 million, kamukha ng platinum natin, nasa 4,400. So malapit-lapit yan. Yung PHL provider, nasa 5,400. Ayan 5,400, mas mahal. Ito matindi. Si SL provider, nasa 10,000 pesos, the same 1 million. Kamukha ng platinum. Alright, now, let me tell you this. Si SL provider, they have, syempre, meron naman talagang credibility and to actually, in fairness to them, kaya nilang iangat yung presyo kasi naman talagang very credible. Ito pong SL provider, they've been in the industry of protection for the past 100 years already. 100 plus years, no? Kilala niya, maliwanag yan tuwing umaga. Ayan, okay? So, again, kaya medyo mahal-mahal na kasi syempre, the branding of the name, medyo matagal na talaga. More than 125 years na sila in the industry of protection. So, tayo yung 4-5 pasok na pasok. And of course, IL provider nasa 5,000. So, if you can think about it, comparing to traditional protection provider, very competitive yung platinum natin na 1 million term. May daily hospital income pa at malaki yung medical reimbursement, nasa 200,000. So again, very competitive yung ating 4-5 kahit dun sa talagang market na, yung sa mga retail, nung bibili na ng retail sa mga prospects natin. So again, and aside from that, eto po, direct comparison ng retail price ng coverage. Pero let me tell you this, we are not directly competing with these companies. Maliwanag yan, we are not directly competing with them. Why? Kasi itong mga to po, traditional po ito. They've been in the industry of protection for how many years? Tayo po, mga kaibigan, we are getting into a 6-year-old industry. Ang tawag, InsurTech. Ibig sabihin, mga kaibigan, it's a combination of insurance and technology like what Sir Adrian have discussed a while ago. Dito, mas efficient, mas mabilis ang coverage, mas mabilis ang claims, ladies and gentlemen. So talaga namang mas pinabilis to kasi kinumbine na ng technology, no? So malayo to sa mga brick and mortar traditional protection provider. Maliwanag? So yan. And of course, we are given the privilege in OVI and Seal Pro. We are given the privilege to actually go for a maximum seal protection or maximum seal pro. Ano daw po yun? Ibig sabihin, pwede ka palang bumili ng coverage mo na 500,000 ang tawag bronze or pwede ka rin mag-platinum na 1 million pero pwede mo ring doblehin yan. Kung gusto mo, you can go for double platinum. You have 2 million pesos coverage. Lahat ng laman ng platinum, dodoblehin natin. So yung medical reimbursement mo, instead of 200,000, magiging 400,000. Right? Yung daily hospital income mo na 2,000 per day for 10 days, magiging 4,000 per day for 10 days. Are you following? Alright? And of course, maliban sa double platinum, you can go maximum for the meantime. Ang maximum natin sa isang pangalan, sa isang tao. Alright? Ang maximum protection is triple platinum. Meaning you can go above 3 million. You can go for 3 million coverage. So lahat ng laman ng platinum, titriplihin natin. 3 million accident coverage, 3 million total permanent disability. Yung 200,000 medical reimbursement mo, magiging 600,000. Alright, kung medyo malaki-laki yung naggastos mo sa hospital, cover na cover lahat yan. Yung daily hospital income mo, instead of 2,000, magiging 6,000 per day. So imagine mo, nasa hospital ka, nagpapagaling ka, may 6,000 per day ka for the next 10 days. Ladies and gentlemen, now, again, why do I want to make this, why do I want to emphasize this triple platinum? Kasi guys, ito po ang battle cry natin coming from the board of directors down to our vice presidents, to the management, to Hall of Famers, down to the top 20 and to all the leaders sa iba't ibang bansa, mga OFW Pilipino. ang battle cry natin, lahat tayo, kung gusto mo, ang grupo mo naka-max seal, dapat kayo mismo naka-max seal. Kaya napakitype dyan, max seal. Ang tawag natin sa triple platinum is maximum seal protection or max seal. Dapat 3 million ang coverage mo kung leader ka. Alright, kumbaga, 3 beses kang umiinom ng C24/7 sa isang araw, triple dose. Alright, parang ganito yan, okay? Protektado, naka 3 million coverage. Now, let me make things clear, guys. Let me clarify this. Alright, everybody, come on, yan, nagta-type sila, max seal, max seal. Let me make things clear. I'm not saying that the value of your life is worth 3 million. Guys, let me clarify things out. In fact, ang totoo niyan, the value of your life is more than 3 million. In fact, hindi nga natin pwedeng lagyan ng presyo yung value or importance ng buhay mo. Are you following? All right, napakalayo niyan. It's priceless, no? Yung value ng buhay mo, ng experience mo, ng wisdom mo, ng talent mo, ng skills mo, all of those, your life is valued not at 3 million. But what we want to say to you guys is that mas okay nang may 3 million kesa wala. Right? Yung sinasabi ni Sir Adrian kanina, I'm just searching on, nakakatuwa. Imagine mo, kung si Jennifer Lopez nga, kilala niyo ba si J-Lo? Kung si Jennifer Lopez nga, yung botox niya, yung botox, yung likod, yung behind, yung deriry, yung puwet, kumbaga, is worth 24 or 27 million dollars ang insurance policy. Puwet pa lang yon. Si Mariah Carey, ito magugulat ka, Mariah Carey, research mo yan, si Mariah Carey, yung legs pa lang niya, yung makinis na legs ni Mariah Carey, alright, is covered under $1 billion. Think about that. It's ridiculous. It's crazy. Legs pa lang. Puwet pa lang. Alright? $27 million na, hindi pa yung buong buhay niya. How much more ikaw, yung buhay mo? How do you value your life? So again, you need 3 million. Kailangan naka-max seal tayong lahat. Alright? So what do you get when you are in max seal? Number one, if you go for maximum seal protection, may benefits yan. Number one, syempre, you get a maximum lifestyle protection. Like I said a while ago, ang maximum protection ng buhay mo, 3 million. So of course, mas safe na to. Yung family makapagsimula, whatever happens, yung medical reimbursement mo, anong mangyari, alam mong safe ka, secured ka, wala kang iniisip, you have a peace of mind, no? Hindi mo man makuha yung benefits. Alam nyo guys, ang totoo niyan, eto po, wala namang may gustong makakuha ng benefits, right? Wala namang gusto ma-aksidente. Pero ang pinakaunang benefit na makukuha mo dito pag 3 million covered ka, the benefit of peace of mind. And if you have a peace of mind, you know what happened? You can actually, unleash your full potential. You can live your life full out. Walang reservations, right? So again, that's what's important when you are on a maximum seal protection. Of course, what additional benefits is that pag naka-max seal ka at lagi ka nagre-renew ng max seal year after year, you get to increase your coverage. Ang tawag namin doon, annual loyalty increment. Ano yung sabihin nun? Pag nagma-max seal ka next year, nag-max seal ka on the next coming years, umaakyat yung coverage mo with the same payment of premium. Parehas lang yung binabayad mo, every year, parehas lang ang binabayad mo, hindi umaakyat yung binabayad mo, pero yung coverage mo tumataas. Tumataas siya ng 10% for the next 5 years. Imagine mo yan mga kaibigan. Sa traditional protection providers, ang pinakamataas is 5%. May ganito rin sila. Alright? 5% ang increase ng coverage, the same premium. Pero umakit ang payment nila. Tayo, the same payment, max seal ka lang ng max seal every year, tumataas yung coverage mo. Okay? Dati, naka 3 million ka. Next year, nag-max seal ka, increase ng 10%, 3,300,000 na ang coverage mo with the same payment, the same premium na binayad mo last year. On the next coming year, until 5 years, nag-i-increase ng 10%. So you can go up to 4.5 million inclusion of coverage. Pati lahat ng mga kasama, pati medical reimbursement, can increase up to 50% pag lagi ka nag-renew ng max seal every year for the next 5 years. Alright? So again, yan yung kagandahan yan. Annual loyalty increment. What else? Meron tayong tinatawag na no-claim cashback benefit. What does it mean? Very simple. Guys, don't worry. Lahat ito, yung details nito, lalabas to by August 15. May mga table yan. Present namin sa inyo yan. Lahat ng details yan. Alright? So again, yung no-claim cashback benefit, pag lagi ka nagma-max seal, what will happen is that a certain percentage of your total premium goes back to you kapag wala kang claim. Again guys, lagi niyo itindihin. Pag sinabing term protection, ibig sabihin binabayaran mo yan for a particular period of time. Parang sa sasakyan, pag binilan mo ng insurance sa sasakyan this year, kahit hindi ka maaksidente, hindi mo magamit yung insurance, next year mag-e-expired yan, bibili ka ulit on the next coming year. Does that make sense? Ang tawag doon term. Alright? Nire-renew, nag-e-expire. Now, pag hindi mo nagamit, babay na yung binayad mo, alright, next year, bayad ka ulit. Now, ang maganda dito, eto maganda, pag naka-max seal ka, pag wala kang claim, hindi mo nagamit, hindi siya magbababa, yung pera mo hindi totally lost. Alright? Hindi naman talaga siya nawala kasi ang pinambayad mo yung pang-protection mo. Etong matindi. Kumita ka na, pumalo na yung points, may binalik pa sa'yo until wala kang claim. Alright? So kung maingat kang nilalang, nag-max seal ka this year, nag-max seal ka next year, on the third year, nag-max seal ka ulit. Pag wala kang claim, alright, a certain percentage of your total premium for 3 years goes back to you. Maliban doon sa kitaan, maliban doon sa income, kumita ka na, may bumalik pa sa'yo doon sa total premium na binayad mo hanggat wala kang claim. And the next coming years, ganun ulit, may babalik na certain percentage sa premium mo until wala kang claim. Alright? So panalong-panalo, ladies and gentlemen. And again, that's only for people who go for max seal. Alright? And of course, last but not the least, pero pinakagusto natin, kapag naka-max seal ka, you get the highest benefit for the financial empowerment program. Ito yung kitaan. Alright? So pag naka-max seal ka, syempre, kumbaga para kang naka-triple maintenance. Para kang naka-triple per PMA sa EC, mas malaki talaga ang kitaan na makukuha mo. Alright? So let's go further. Ito nang gusto natin. Paano ba kumita sa Seal Pro? Paano ba gawing pagkakitaan yan? Parang the same kung paano natin i-present ang EC, di ba? After i-present ang C24/7, i-present ang Colidus, i-present yung complete, nakita mo ang ganda ng produkto, kailangan nating lahat. Ang tanong next, paano ba pagkakakitaan yung magagandang produkto ng EC? Ganito rin po dito. Meron tayong coverage protection. Ang produkto natin, coverage protection, platinum and bronze. And you can go up to double platinum and triple platinum. Ang tanong, ngayong alam mo na yung coverage, paano natin pagkakakitaan itong platinum, double platinum, and triple platinum? Are you ready? Eto na. Kitaan na. Alright? If you're ready, give me a thumbs up, guys. Eto na. Very simple. The same with EC. Alright? Para kumita ka dito sa Seal Pro, kailangan bilhin mo hindi per coverage. Hindi ka bibili ng isang platinum, hindi ka bibili ng isang bronze, or hindi ka bibili ng isang triple platinum lang. Bibili ka ng isang buong package. Alright? So again, you get to have free access to earn from the Financial Empowerment Program or kitaan ng OVI at ng EC at the same time. Kumikita ka na sa OVI, pag nag-member ka ng OVI, kapag nag-distributor ka ng OVI, distributor ka rin ng EC at the same time. Maliwanag ko ba yun? Alright? Pag bumili ng package ng OVI at na-encode, automatically, you get all the benefits as a distributor of empowered consumerism. You get the full benefits and discounts and marketing plan din ng lahat ng EC distributors. Maliwanag. Now again, you get to earn from this marketing plan as you choose to avail one from the following protection packages. Ito po, introducing the packages of OVI and Seal Pro. We have the Seal Pro Essential Protection Pack, we have the Seal Pro Enterprise, and we have the Seal Pro Max Victus. Max Victus for maximum success and maximum victory. Alright? Ang ibig sabihin kasi ng Victus is victory and success. Maliwanag? So, eto po mga kaibigan. Let me just make things clear. Alright? Eto po, makinig mabuti. May parehas na parehas po. Kung ano ang marketing plan ng EC, ganun din ang marketing plan ni OVI or ni Seal Pro. Alright? Meron lang slight difference. Makinig mabuti. Ano yung slight difference, Miko? If you're familiar with AIM World, in line with our expansion in Europe, in North America, and in Canada, ang gusto natin, ma-align tayo at mag-sync tayo dun sa regulations ng direct selling in those first world countries. Ano ba yon? One of the regulations in the direct selling in the first world country is that hindi pwedeng ibenta ang multiple accounts. Kailangan single account and single genealogy lang. One account in one name. Pwede ka lang mag-add ng account depending on your performance and production. Pag nag-produce ka na, ginawa mo na yung business, nag-perform ka na, tsaka ka mag-add ng account. That's one of the regulations of direct selling in the first world countries. Kaya nga, if you are familiar with AIM World, ganun naka-design ang AIM World. Sa AIM World, single account lahat. Alright? Pero pinalaki ng pinalaki. Meron tayong sapphire, emerald, and diamond. No, it's almost the same. It's actually totally the same with OVI to prepare us in line with our expansion internationally and in the first world country kasi doon at doon naman tayo pupunta lahat mga kaibigan. Eto na, pine-prepare namin kayo. Slowly, we are educating our leaders na masanay doon sa single account in one name. Pero later, I'll be showing you na a-upgrade to. So para madali nyo maintindihan, simpleng-simple lang. Yung Seal Pro Essential Package, lumalabas, ito yung parang one account natin sa EC. Alright? So I'll use a comparison, okay? Yung Seal Pro Enterprise Package lumalabas, ito yung parang 3 product package or 3 accounts natin. Yung Seal Pro Max Victus Package, lumalabas, ito yung parang 7 product package or 7 accounts natin. Maliwanag po ba yun? Alright? Now, again, mamimili ka lang sa isa dito. Hindi ka pwedeng bumili ng 2 enterprise. Hindi ka pwedeng bumili ng 3 essential. You just get to choose one of these 3. Yung pang 1 account, pang 3 accounts, or pang 7 accounts. Alright? So, 1 protection package only per name. But the good news is that, mamaya papaliwanag ko, pag wala ka pang pera, nag-uumpisa ka pa lang, pwede kang mag-umpisa ng essential. 1 account muna kasi wala ka pang pera pang umpisa. Naka 1 account ka lang. Pero again, comparing to EC, ito, compare natin ha, makinig mabuti. I want your full attention. Makinig mabuti. Sa EC, kapag wala kang pera, you just go for 1 account. Tama? Tapos, pag nagkapera ka na, you go to the counter and you buy another package. Tama? Yung pera mo, ipambibili mo ng another package, ang tawag add account. Mag-add account ka na. Tama po ba? Naalala niyo po ba yun? Give me a thumbs up if you're following. Now, sa OVI, ganito kasimple, makinig mabuti. Sa OVI at Seal Pro, pag wala ka pang pera sa umpisa, makinig, bibili ka rin ng pang 1 account. Ang tawag natin doon, Seal Pro Essential Package. Ito yon yung essential. Alright? Now, pag nagkapera ka na at gusto mong ma-avail yung kitaan ng pang 7 accounts, hindi mo na kailangan pumunta sa counter at bumili pa ulit ng package para mag-add account. Wala na pong add account dito. Ang gagawin mo lang, yung pera mo na sana pambili mo ng package, ipang-reorder mo na lang ng products. Maliwanag? Kasi dito, sa OVI at Seal Pro, pag nagre-reorder ka ng products, na-upgrade yung account mo from essential to enterprise hanggang sa ma-avail mo yung full benefits at kitaan ng Max Victus or Maximum Victory and Maximum Success. Maliwanag ba yun? So wala nang add account. Product reorder. Okay? Ma-avail mo pa rin yung full benefits at full kitaan ng pang 7 accounts or pang 7 product package. Maliwanag po ba yun? So nag-a-upgrade po ito. Ang maganda, yung pag-upgrade, walang time frame. Walang deadline. In short, sa ayaw at sa gusto mo, basta bumibili, gumagamit at nagbebenta ng produkto, mag-a-upgrade at mag-a-upgrade ka from 1 account to 7 accounts or from essentials, from Seal Pro Essential to Seal Pro Max Victus. Maliwanag. Is that clear? Kailangan kong maintindihan yung mabuti yan kasi yan yung mga slight difference natin sa EC. But the rest, parehas na po yan ang marketing plan. Yun lang yung slight difference. Naka-single account siya. Sa Genealogy mo, makikita mo, isang account lang yan. Pero nag-upgrade siya, lumalaki. Pati yung kitaan, lumalaki. Alright? Are you following? Eto na, kaibigan. Let's move forward. Magkano at anong laman ng essential? Eto na. Essential. Seal Pro Essential. Okay? Ang Seal Pro Essential natin is 9,990 pesos. Okay? Anong inclusions? Mayroon na siyang kasamang isang personal platinum protection coverage automatically activated under your name. For example, si Juan de la Cruz, bumili ng essential. Pag encode niya ng marketing plan, automatically, diretso ng covered siya ng 1 million. Meron na siyang isang platinum na naka-cover sa pangalan niya. Plus, may pasobra pa. May pasobra na isa pang platinum at isa pang bronze. Para saan tong pasobrang to? Itong pasobra na to are fully transferable and fully retailable. Pwede mong ipamigay, pwede mong ibenta kahit kanino. Maliwanag po ba yun? In short, mga kaibigan, Okay. In short, ito, si Sir Adrian, tawa ng tawa din sa gilid ko. Bakit ba? Kasi ayan, wow, lupit! Okay, sabi nila, ang dami nagko-comment. Ayan, mga comment, wow, sobrang galing. Alright, eto na. Okay, etong matindi mga kaibigan. Okay, etong matindi, nahuhulog sa upuan si Sir Adrian. Okay, eto na, makinig mabuti mga kaibigan. Alright, in short, ang isang Seal Pro Essential Package may namang 3 coverage. Ulitin ko po ha. Again, I need your full attention. Ang isang Essential Seal Pro Essential Package ay may lamang 3 coverage. 3 po. Alright, 2 platinum at 1 bronze. Maliwanag? Meaning, yung isang platinum doon, pag encode mo pa lang sa pangalan mo ng essential package, diretso na naka-automatic coverage na sa pangalan mo. May 1 million covered ka na, isang platinum. Tapos yung nasobrang isang platinum pa at saka isang bronze, pwede mong ibenta, pwede mong ipangalan kahit kanino. Maliwanag po ba yun? Alright, so ang total face value nung 3 coverage mo, 2 platinum at 1 bronze, yung isang platinum nakapangalan sa'yo, at yung sobrang isang platinum at 1 bronze, ang total face value nun is 12,000 pesos. Nakuha mo sa halagang 9,990. So nakamura ka pag bumibili ka ng package. Ganun din sa EC. Di ba? Instead na bumili ka ng pa-isa-isang C24/7, kung gusto mong mas makamura, wholesale, bili ka ng isang package. Ganun din dito sa OVI at Seal Pro. Alright? Now, paano naman pag nakapag-refer ka ng someone na bibili ng isang Seal Pro Essential? Automatically, direct referral bonus mo, 1,000 pesos. Binary points, 1,200 points. Nagmamatch po ito. OV will match to EC. EC will match to OV. Alright, maliwanag? Nagmamatch po EC to OV, OV to EC. And then, stair-step and UPP points is 330. Aba, malaki-laki ang mga stair-step at UPP. Let's move further. Alright? Next, Enterprise. Seal Pro Enterprise Package. Ano, magkano to? Parang 3. Tindiple natin. Parang 3 accounts to. 29,990. Anong inclusions? Anong mga kasama sa loob? Automatically, pag encode mo nung Enterprise, Seal Pro Enterprise Package and Seal Pro Enterprise account card, may account card yan or may code na ibibigay sa'yo, automatically, meron ka lang isang personal triple platinum protection coverage. So na may 3 million coverage na yung bibili ng Enterprise. So si Juan de la Cruz, pag bili ng Enterprise, pag encode niya, naka 3 million covered na siya. Sa Essential, 1 million yung automatic converted sa'yo, activated sa'yo. Dito sa Enterprise, automatically activated na 3 million. Naka-max seal ka na personally. Plus, eto matindi, may pasobra pa na isang platinum or 1 million coverage at 9 na bronze coverage na tagpa 500,000. Anong gagawin mo dito sa mga to? Etong mga sobrang isang platinum tsaka 9 na bronze are fully transferable and fully retailable. Pwede mong ibenta sa kaibigan, kamag-anak, classmate, kachokrahan, katong-its, kalaguyo mo. And of course, pwede mo rin ipangalan sa kanila yan. Alright? So, ang total value ng lahat ng coverage mo is 45,000 pesos. Nakuha mo sa halagang 29,990. Maliwanag? And automatically, parang 3 accounts to. Ha? Etong matindi, mga kaibigan. Kapag ikaw nakapag-refer ng somebody na bibili ng Seal Pro Enterprise Package, alright? Direct referral bonus mo, 5,000 pesos! Woo! Alright? Binary points mo, 3,600! Ibig sabihin, isang Seal Pro Enterprise na pumasok sa genealogy mo, papalo yan ng 1, 2, 3, 1,800 pesos. Ha? Ang stair-step UPP points mo, 990. Malaki-laki. Woo-hoo-hoo! Exciting, ha? Ang mga OFW dyan, mag-ingay. Ha? Eto na, kaibigan. Next, yung pinakamalaki. Max Victus. Seal Pro Max Victus for maximum victory and maximum success. Ito yung parang 7 accounts. Alright, so tinimes 7 natin, parang 7 product package. Magkano yan? That is 69,990 pesos. Anong inclusion? Pakinggan nyo mabuti. Meron ka ng isang personal triple platinum. So automatically, yung bibili ng Max Victus, pag encode niya sa marketing plan, pag encode sa BTC, pagpasok niya, automatic 3 million covered na siya under his name. Alright? For 1 year. So 3 million covered na siya, naka-maxil na siya. Plus, may pasobra pa na 3 platinum or 3 tagwa 1 million coverage at 26 na bronze or 26 na tagpa 500,000 coverage. So again, ang total value ng lahat ng coverage kasama nung sayo, nakapangalan sayo, is a total of 105,000 pesos worth of coverage, nakuha lang sa halagang 69,990. Di hamak na value for money, nakamura ka kaysa binili mo ng paisa-isa yung platinum and bronze. Again guys, eto po, suggestion lang, kung may mga kakilala ka na HR manager ng isang kumpanya, human resource, may kakilala ka, member or presidente ng cooperative, may kakilala ka, may-ari ng agency, may kakilala ka, may-ari ng isang small or medium enterprise, may mga empleyado, pwedeng-pwede po ito sa kanila. O malapit na ang eleksyon, may kilala kang barangay captain, may kilala kang politiko na gustong magpaganda ng pangalan. Ito po, marami siyang constituents na pwedeng i-cover. Okay, o malupit, may marketing plan pa. Okay, so don't worry, parating po yung mga trainings na yan. We'll be preparing some videos and trainings for you pagdating ng August 15 kapag ima-market mo na yan, okay? So be very excited about this and ready na po, ha? Ang Max Victus. Etong matindi, kapag nakapag-refer ka at nakapagbenta ka ng Silpro Max Victus, ang direct referral mo, kaibigan, 12,000 pieces! Woo! Alright? 12,000. Ang binary points mo, 8,400. Ibig sabihin, isang Max Victus lang ang pumasok. Ilang beses pumalo? 1, 2, 3, hanggang 7 na 1,800 pieces. Okay? Are you following? Now, okay, stair-step UPP points is 2,310. Woo! Malaki-laking UPP and stair-step to. Now, uunahan ko na po kayo. Nakikita ko na yung mga upline, lumalaki ang mga mata. O, makinig mabuti. Mga upline, makinig mabuti. Sabi ng mga upline, wait. Pakiulit. Sabi, isang Max Victus na pumasok sa grupo ko, pairing leg, 7 beses pumalo, upline. Flash out kagad ako niyan. Okay? Hindi ko na monitor yan. Ibig sabihin, pag may nag-join ng Max Victus, 2 pa lang, or isang Max Victus saka isang essential, flash out na ako. Now guys, listen to this. Listen carefully, mga upline, makinig mabuti. Once and for all, I need your full attention, uplines. Listen to me pagdating sa encoding. Listen. Now again, remember, the board of directors of Alliance and Motion Global, down to our vice presidents, down to the whole management, lahat po tayo nag-network, lahat po naging distributor. And again, for the past 15 years, tumagal at tumatag tayo because we have been a pro-distributor company and system. Hindi po gagawa ang mga may-ari at ang mga vice presidente natin ng marketing plan na mabilis po kayong ipa-flash out mga upline. Maliwanag? Kaya etong maganda, makinig mabuti ha, makinig mabuti. I need your full attention. Etong malupit, pag may na-refer ka ng Max Victus, pag pumasok yung Max Victus, automatically, yung first one out of the 8,400 points, listen to this, pagpasok ng Max Victus, pag-encode, out of the 8,400 points, yung unang 1,200 ang unang papalo. So unang 1,800, kikita na kagad. Pero yung remaining 7,200 points or yung 6 na palo, alright? Yung remaining 7,200 points, maiiwan sa e-store ni sponsor. Maliwanag? Out of the 8,400 points ng Max Victus, alright? The first 1,200 points will match. The remaining 7,200 points will maiiwan or will be remain on the e-store ni sponsor or ni upline. So si upline or si sponsor will now have his own discretion kung kailan niya ipapasok yung 7,200 points para hindi naman po mag-flash out kaagad. O pwedeng after 12 hours, tsaka niya ipasok yung next 1-2 or yung tatlong 1-2 or yung remaining points, alright? Pa 1-2, 1-2 ang pasok niyan. Maliwanag po ba yun? Alright, now as long as it's within the 60 days expiration of e-store. So mahaba-haba na po yung 60 days na yan para sure na ma-avail ninyo at maipasok nyo yung buong 8,400 points at makuha yung buong 1,800. Maliwanag? So pasok yung buong 1,800 sa isang Max Victus ng downline mo. na hindi mo nakakilala, basta pumasok na Max Victos, 718 yan. Bahala ka na kung ilagay mo sa times 2. Pag nilagay mo sa times 3 yan, ang daming 18 yan, ha? Uulan ng 18. Alright? So again, guys, ha? So ayan po, mga kaibigan, ha? Ganun po ka pro distributor ang company natin. Mahal na mahal po kayo ng buong company, ng buong management, ng board of directors. Ayan, ha? Eto na. Ngayon, paano naman kung easy distributor ako? Easy distributor, may easy accounts ako, naka 7 accounts, naka 3 accounts, naka 15 accounts ako sa easy. Gusto kong i-activate yung easy accounts ko at yung waiting points ko into OVI. Paano yan? O simple lang, para ma-activate yung easy accounts mo into OVI, kailangan lang mag-encode ka ng tinatawag na NDPP. Alright? Or New Division Protection Policy. Now listen to this, para hindi po kayo maguluhan. Comparison with Easy again. With Easy, naalala nyo, pag may bago tayong produkto, alright, pag may bagong produkto, naglalabas tayo ng tinatawag na NPP or New Product Policy. Okay, New Product Policy. Para sa yung NPP? Number 1, para ma-activate yung account mo na ready ng pasukan ng mga points ng bagong produkto. Alright? So that our system will know that your accounts are active and you are willing to avail those product and ready kang ma-avail yung points ng production ng grupo mo dun sa bagong produktong yon. So ganun din po ngayon dito. Pero ito, hindi po siya NPP kasi hindi naman po ito bagong product. This is a new division. Maliwanag? Now, because it's a new division, ang tawag natin is NDPP. New Division Protection Policy. Now, paano to mga kaibigan? Simple lang. Pag may easy accounts ka, remember this, etong maganda. Comparing to other companies, sa ibang kumpanya, makinig ka sa akin mabuti, sikat na sikat to, sa ibang kumpanya, kapag sila po may bagong division, naglalabas sila ng next higher division ng kanilang kumpanya, ang nangyayari sa kanila mga kaibigan, nagpapa-rejoin sila, alright, nagpapa-rejoin, tapos, back to zero. Zero left, zero right. Start ka from scratch. Etong maganda, again, because we are a pro-distributor company from the board of directors, hindi gagawin yan. Etong maganda. Okay, dahil may new division tayo, bibili ka lang ng NDPP, mag-e-encode ka lang ng NDPP. Alright? Pag encode mo ng NDPP, lahat ng accounts mo sa EC, existing accounts mo sa EC, activated na sa OVI, ang matindi, the same genealogy, the same structure, the same waiting points, magmi-mirror, alright? Seamless po ito. Kung ano yung marketing plan, kung ano yung accounts mo sa easy structure genealogy, yun din yung lalabas sa OVI. Ready na silang pasukan ng lahat ng OVI points and OVI transaction. Kikita na yung easy accounts mo ng pang OVI or pang Seal Pro. Pwede. Alright? And of course, one main reason bakit natin ginagawa yung NDPP, para syempre kayo mismo, masubukan nyo yung produkto or covered kayo. Ang hirap naman ng magbebenta ka ng coverage or magbebenta ka ng protection, ikaw mismo hindi ka covered. So what's one of the design of NPP is or NDPP is for you to make sure na ikaw muna yung gumamit ng product. Ikaw muna yung covered bago pagkakitaan. Maliwanag po ba yun? And of course, remember this, one NDPP covers and activates all of your easy accounts as long as it's in one username or one DTC. Alright? Is that clear? So, one NDPP lang, activated na lahat ng easy accounts mo, mapa 7 accounts or 15 accounts yan, basta nasa isang DTC or nasa isang username. Clear? So, ayan. Anong laman? Magkano yung NDPP? 5,999 pesos only. Ang matindi doon, hindi lang activated na yung easy accounts mo sa marketing plan, may kasama pang 3 bronze or 3 tagpa 500,000 coverage na automatically activated sa pangalan mo. Maliwanag? So for example, ikaw yung distributor, bumili ka ng NDPP, alright? Online yan, bibili mo online, mapadala sa iyo yung code, makukuha mo yung code automatically online, or you can get the cards, physical cards dito. Automatically, pagkuha mo, pag-encode mo sa system mo ng NDPP, activated na lahat ng easy accounts mo, ready ng pasukan ng transaction ng OV at Seal Pro. Ang matindi doon, 1.5 million covered ka na under your name. Kasi 3 bronze, di ba? Ang isang bronze, ang coverage niya is 500,000. So times 3, that's a total of 1.5 million coverage. Is that clear? Etong matindi, 1.5 million covered ka na, activated na lahat ng easy accounts mo. Ang matindi pa, yung mga downlines mo, kapag nag-NDPP na, May positional points. Ilan? 1.5. Nako, ang bilis ng promotion ito. Imagine mo, 8 lang. 8 hanggang 7 hanggang 8 or siyam lang na NDPP, silver executive na. Alright? Imagine mo yan, oh. Tapos ang matindi doon, commissional points of 1,800. Ang laki po niyan. Sinadya pong palakihin yung commissional points, mga kaibigan, para talagang hindi ka na magbantay ng flash out. Kasi yung NDPP, ang encoding yan, sabay-sabay, simultaneous yan. So talagang expect nyo na, mga uplines, mga leaders, expect nyo na. Pag nag-NDPP buong grupo mo, abangan mo, September and October, lumolobo ang Unilevel, Stairstep at UPP ninyong lahat. Yes! Ha? Excited na ba kayo? Very exciting, right? Okay, let's move on. Alright, eto na. Marketing plan, parehas na parehas ng easy, seamless. Yung slight difference lang nga yung package natin, guys, no? So retail program, meron yan, binary, Unilevel, Stairstep, and UPP. Kung ano meron sa easy, meron sa OVI at Silpro. Alright? So ganoon na ganoon din. So retail program, simpleng-simple lang. Pag nakuha mo sa distributor price yung isang bronze ng 2,000, benenta mo at 3,000 pesos for 1 year, may outright profit ka kagad ng 1,000. Alright? Nabili mo yung platinum, 1 million coverage ng 3,000, benenta mo ng 4,500, may 1.5 ka kagad na outright profit. Mabilis yan, diretso yan, palitan yan. You can retail it right away. Ang matindi doon, paano pag max seal? So yung 3-4 platinum, makukuha mo ng 9,000 distributor price, nabenta mo ng 13,500 kasi 3 platinum yan, di ba? Ang outright profit mo, 4.5. Imagine mo yun, isa lang kausap mo, outright profit mo, 4.5. Paano kung meron kang 10 mapamax seal? Automatically, outright profit mo sa retail, benta-benta pa lang, kaibigan, 45,000 pesos na. Alright? Now, the same with EC. Pag nakabenta ka ng C24/7, nagustuhan niya at sabihin niya na may mga kaibigan ako na gusto rin ng C24/7, ang next mo na ipopromote yung package. Ganun din po dito sa OVI. Pag meron kang na-close na max seal, platinum or bronze, and sabihin niya sa'yo na, tamang-tama, may mga kamag-anak, kaibigan ako at katrabaho na gusto ko rin ipasil. O mas maganda, ang next mo nang ipromote, package na para maging member na siya. Dating user, naging member. Ganun din po dito. Maliwanag ba? So again guys, nung pinulsuhan po namin to, yung gantong kitaan, benta-benta, pinulsuhan po namin to sa mga matitinding registered financial advisor or agents na matagal na sa protection industry. Alam niyo po kaibigan, excited po silang lahat. Alright? Unanimous. Lahat ng kinausap namin nila Sir Adrian, lahat po excited kasi murang-mura yung 4.5, madaling ibenta, ang ganda ng coverage ng platinum ng 1 million. Ang matindi, itong gantong karaming 10 mapapamaxil, baryang-barya po sa kanila to. Maning-mani yan. Walang-wala pa to sa quota nila doon sa mga traditional protection provider nila. Mga kaibigan, kaya they're very excited. Kaya kung may kakilala ka sa protection industry, malamang eto ng pagkakataon, no? You can groom new breed of leaders dito sa ating new division. Ha? And of course, aside from that, doon, monthly ang commission nila. Dito, may EC5, real-time ang kitaan. At hindi lang benta-benta ng coverage. Meron pang Unilevel, UPP, Stairstep, at binary na hindi nila alam doon sa protection industry before. Because this time, we are combining it with direct selling. So ito na, binary program. Alam niyo naman na ito, kaibigan, kahit nakapikit, kaya nyo nang explain to. Direct referral bonus and match sales bonus. The only difference is that yung direct referral bonus, dahil nga po 3 yung package natin, so hindi lang isa ang direct referral. Sa EC, isa lang, 700 pesos. Dito, may 3 tayong iba't ibang klaseng direct referral bonus. We have 1,000 pesos for Seal Pro Essential, 5,000 DRB for Seal Pro Enterprise, and 12,000 pesos for Seal Pro Max Victus. But again, let me remind you this. I need your full attention. Listen to this carefully, guys. Come on, listen. I need your full attention. Guys, listen. There is a slight difference in the direct referral pag nasa lower account ka at nakapag-sponsor ka ng higher account. Alright? That is fair enough. Kapag nagsisimula ka pa lang at wala ka pang pang-umpisa, nakapang 1 account ka lang, essential Seal Pro Essential ka nagsimula, alright? Kapag nakapag-sponsor ka ng enterprise, hindi mo makukuha yung buong 5,000. So pag nasa lower account ka at nakapag-sponsor ka ng higher account, there will be a direct referral bonus difference. May kaibahan. Maliwanag? So for example, essential ka, nakapag-member ka o nakapagbenta ka ng another essential, makukuha mo yung buong 1,000 pag nasa same level. Enterprise, nakapag-sponsor ng enterprise, you'll get the full 5,000, the same level. Max Victus ka, dumaretso ka ng Max Victus, nakapag-sponsor ka ng Max Victus, automatically, you get the full 12,000. Pero kung essential ka pa lang at hindi ka pa nag-upgrade, di ba may upgrade, mamaya papaliwanag ko, essential ka pa lang, hindi ka pa nag-upgrade, tapos may napasponsor kang Enterprise or Max Victus, hindi mo makukuha yung buong 5,000 at buong 12,000 direct referral. So there will be a difference in direct referral from lower account sponsoring higher account. Alright? Is that fair enough? Mamaya ipapaliwanag ko yung difference at saka kung paano mag-upgrade para maintindihan nyo mabuti. Alright? So let's move forward. On the match sales bonus, simpleng-simple lang, 1.8 din siya katulad ng EC. Alright? So for every 2,400 combined binary points, 1,200 on the left and 1,200 on the right, automatically mag-match siya 1,800 pesos. Again, ito maganda. Either OV or EC binary points can match. Maliwanag? EC points, OV points, magmamatch po yan. Let me show you a scenario. For example, this scenario is for existing EC members. Alright? For example, ikaw to, EC member ka, may EC account ka. Given that you have already encoded your NDPP or your New Division Protection Policy, and then given that on your left sales group, let's say, eto yung strong leg mo sa EC, may waiting points ka na sa EC, what I highly suggest, what we highly suggest is that you build another leg for OVI. Malamang lahat naman ng mga downlines mo magbi-build ng mga kanya-kanyang leg nila sa OVI yan. Pero ikaw na upline, mas maganda, may bago ka ring leg na bubuksan or may bago kang team na i-open for OVI. Now, for example, left sales group is your waiting points for EC and the right sales group will be your opening leg for OVI. Now again, let's say puro Seal Pro Essential Pack ang papajoinin natin or bibenta natin. Every Essential Pack is 1,200 points. So pag nag-join sa'yo si kaibigan A na kumuha ng Essential Pack, automatically that's 1,200 points. Ikaw muna may direct referral ka na 1,000 pesos. Okay? Plus, babanggayan sa strong leg mo, may first 1.8 ka kagad. So kumita ka kakagad ng 2,800 pesos sa isang kaibigan pa lang na bibili ng Essential. Plus, si kaibigan A na bumili ng Essential, nagdala rin ng dalawang kaibigan niya na hindi mo nakakilala na bibili rin ng tag-isang Essential. Automatically, si kaibigan A, kumita rin siya ng magkano? 1,000, 1,000. Kumita si kaibigan A ng 2,000 direct referral bonus. Plus, nag-match ng 1,800. Kumita si kaibigan A ng 3,800. So, alam na nyo na to. Right? Kahit nakapikit kayo, kaya nyo nang explain to. Automatically, etong dalawang to, dahil bumili ng Essential, hindi mo nakakilala, wala ka nang ginawa. Pero dahil ikaw ang upline, pumasok yung points ng Essential Package, nag-match sa strong leg mo, 1,800, 1,800. Kumita ka ng total of 6,400 sa isang kaibigan mo lang na bibili ng Essential na magdadala ng dalawang kaibigan na hindi mo nakakilala na bibili din ng Essential. Gets? Now, let's move further. Paano pag Enterprise ang ipopromote natin? When you go for Enterprise, eto maganda. Pag may nag-join si kaibigan A ng Enterprise, ang isang Enterprise is 3,600 points. Papalo ng 3 beses. Automatically, si kaibigan A bumili ng Enterprise. Given that you have already upgraded to Enterprise or baka bumili ka rin ng ad account mo ng Enterprise, automatically, ang direct referral mo is 5,000 pesos. Alright? Plus, nag-match pa yan sa strong leg mo ng 3,1,800. So that's 5,400. Isang kaibigan mo pa lang, isang kaibigan na bumili ng Enterprise, kumita ka na ng 10,400. Plus, etong matindi, nagdala siya ng dalawang kaibigan na bibili ng Enterprise. Si kaibigan A, kumita ng 5,000, 5,000, 10,000 pesos, direct referral bonus pa lang ni kaibigan A. Nag-match pa ng 5,400, kumita si kaibigan A ng 15,400 pesos, kaibigan. Yan ang matindi dyan, ha? Alright, ang matindi doon, no? Nag-match sa'yo yan, 5,400, 5,400, wala ka nang ginawa, hindi mo nakakilala yung dalawa, kumita ka ng 21,200, ladies and gentlemen, sa isang kaibigan mo lang na nag-Enterprise, na nagdala ng dalawang kaibigan na bibili na ng Enterprise. Is that clear? Alright? Now last, Max Victus scenario. Ang isang Max Victus is 8,400 points. Remember, hindi papalo kagad lahat to. Ang unang papalo, yung first 1,200 points. And then the remaining 7,200 points, may iwan sa e-store mo para ikaw ang nasa discretion mo kung kailan mo ipapasok yan para ma-avail mo as long as it's within the 60 days expiration of your e-store. Now, may nag-join ng Max Victus sa kaibigan A, automatically, given that you have already upgraded to Max Victus as well, automatically, ang direct referral mo, 12,000 pesos. Nag-match pa yan sa strong leg mo, 12,600. Kumita ka kagad ng 24,600. Isang kaibigan pa lang na bibili ng Max Victus. Ha? Eto matindi. Siyempre, yung kaibigan A mo, parehas din ang mga kaibigan yan, the same buying capacity. May pambili na ng Max Victus. Si kaibigan A, ang matindi, dahil naka-Max Victus na siya, diretso, direct referral niya kagad, 12,000, 12,000. Direct referral pa lang, 24,000 na. Nag-match pa. nag-match ng 12-6. O imagine mo, first day pa lang ni kaibigan A, muntik na siyang mag-flash out. Ayan mga kaibigan. Pero syempre dahil sa'yo, under you, may pumasok na points ng Max Victus sa'yo, hindi mo nakakilala tong dalawang to, nag-match, 12-6, 12-6, kumita ka ng total ng 49,800 pesos sa isang kaibigan mo lang na bibili ng Max Victus na magdadala ng dalawang kaibigan na bibili rin ng Max Victus. Is that clear? All right, clear. Now again, mga kaibigan, that's the daily income, binary income. Pero syempre, may monthly income din yan. Kamukha ng easy. Lahat ng product at package ng OVI or ng Seal Pro, lahat may commissional points. So palolobohin yan ang income mo sa Unilevel. The same Unilevel platform, the same stair step, aakyat lahat ng override commissions mo with OVI and Seal Pro basta naka-NDPP ka. Alright, meron din siyang mas mabilis din ang ranking. Guys, alam nyo, ito po ngayon ang isa sa mga pinakamalaking commissional points and stair-step UPP points na meron tayo sa lahat ng produkto na nilabas natin. OVI and Seal Pro has a very huge commissional points and stair-step UPP. You can compute for that. Tingnan nyo yung mga pinakita ko kanina sa package at sa product. Ang lalaki ng commissional points. Ang lalaki ng stair-step UPP points ng mga package. So talagang ang bilis ng promotion, ang bilis ng override, ang lolobo ang override. Alam nyo, Unipay plan also, lolobo yan. Naalala ko, last week, nung nag-present po kami sa live presentation sa grupo ni Coach HOF Maylin and HOF Carlo Benaventura. Alam nyo, directly tinanong po ni Sir Jurgen Gonzalez, our Vice President, he asked Carlo kung magkano ang dinagdag na income ng UPP sa kanila simula nung pumasok ang UPP last year. Kasi nakakaisang taon na po ang UPP sa atin. Bago lang po to nung nagsimula tayo ng EdPlan 2.0 at ng EC. Alam nyo po, simple lang ang sagot ni Carlo. And knowing our HOF Carlo Benaventura, napaka, conservative po niyan pagdating sa pag nag-share ng income, napaka-conservative. Alam niyo po, sabi niya, simula nung pumasok ang UPP, nadagdagan lang naman ang income nila ng more or less 500,000 pesos. 500,000 and above ang dinagdag. And conservative pa si Carlo pagdating doon. So imagine mo, kung umakyat ng 500,000 pataas, okay, ang UPP ng mga HOF, how much more? Ito ngayon para sa inyo kapag nagkaroon ng Seal Pro and OVI. Talagang lolobo ang mga every 15th na UPP, Unilevel and stair-step natin dito. Ha? Are you excited? And of course, last but not the least, our special feature, mga kaibigan, for OVI. Ito po yung mga small differences na ipapaliwanag ko, yung mga upgrade, no? Ang tawag natin dito, bound to MVP. Simple lang to, pasimplin ko na, tagalogin ko na. Ibig sabihin lang po nito, lahat ng protection packages natin sa OVI or Seal Pro, alright? Yung Seal Pro Essential and Seal Pro Enterprise, lahat po ng protection package are bound to become Max Victus. So yung 1 account and 3 account, lahat yan magiging 7 accounts lahat. Okay? Kasi nga, upgradable without time frame. Basta bumibili ka lang ng product. Alright? So you need to go for Max Victus upgrade kasi you get the maximum financial benefit and maximum potential income. Now, paano mag-upgrade? Ito na, tingnan nyo mabuti paano mag-upgrade. Kung magsisimula ka ng essential, wala ka pang pera, pang 1 account pa lang, para magkapag-upgrade ka to enterprise, imbis na mag-add account ka, yung pera mo na pang-add account, ipangbili mo na lang ng products. Kasi pag naka 6 personal points ka, pag naka-accumulate ka ng 6 personal points, automatically upgraded na yung essential account mo into enterprise. Clear? Alright, reorder na ang pang-add account natin. Maliwanag? Now, pag enterprise ka, naka 3 accounts ka, gusto mo ma-avail yung full benefits ng pang 7 accounts, magdadagdag ka lang ng another 12 personal points. So, a total of 18. Again, let me repeat. A total of 18 personal points, 1/8. A total of 18 personal points to upgrade from essential account to Max Victus. Alright, remember, yung personal points na to, either may come from OV points, OV products, or EC products. Alright? So, mapa-platinum, bronze, C24/7, Colidus, Restore Life, kape, lahat yung produktong yan, pag bumibili ka, ine-encode mo, pinapasok mo sa'yo, automatically, naiipon yan to upgrade your OV or Seal Pro accounts to the 7 account or Max Victus accounts. Is that clear? At maganda doon, no time frame. Alright? Walang time frame, ladies and gentlemen. Alright? Sa ayot sa gusto mo, mag-upgrade ka basta gumagamit, bumibili at nagbebenta ng mga produkto. Is that clear? Alright, products ng EC or products ng OVI or ng Silpro. Ayan, mga kaibigan, exciting. So again, seamless po ito. New division pero nagko-combine siya. Seamless marketing plan, seamless products. Alright? So ayan, and of course, what do you get? What do you get kapag naka-Max Victus ka? Siyempre, yung sinabi ko kanina, kapag naka-Max Victus ka na, you get the maximum direct referral. So kanina, pag essential ka pa lang, nakapag-sponsor ka ng enterprise, hindi mo makukuha yung buong 5,000, 2,500 lang. Alright? Kapag essential ka, may nag-join ng Max Victus, instead of full 12,000, 3,000 lang. Kapag ikaw enterprise, nakapag-join ka ng Max Victus, instead of 12,000, 6,000 kalahati. Pag ikaw upgraded na to Max Victus, tsaka mo makukuha yung lahat ng direct referral bonus. Right? Kuha mo na yung buong 12,000 at yung 5,000 ng enterprise at yung 1,000 ng essential. So again, kumbaga, sabi nga ni Sir Jurgen, ika nga ni Sir Jurgen, pag naka-Max Victus ka na, sambot mo na. Ha? Sambot, kuha mo na lahat ng direct referral. Maliwanag? Alright? Yan. And of course, aside from that, kapag naka-Max Victus ka, you get a performance privilege slot. O ito, para hindi magulo, I need your full attention. Di ba? Sabi ko kanina, lahat ito naka-single account sa genealogy nyo. Pero makukuha mo rin yung full benefits ng kitaan ng multiple accounts basta nagpuproduce na at nagpe-perform na yung grupo mo. One of the alignment and preparation for international expansion para naka-align tayo sa regulations ng lahat ng mga direct selling regulations in the first world countries. No, paano to? Simple lang. You will be rewarded to have a maximum of 3 privilege slot on the left and 3 privilege slot on the right for every 5 group accumulated points on each side. No, masyadong English yan. Para maintindihan mabuti, let me show you a scenario. For example, this is you. And given that you have already upgraded to Max Victus. For example, naka-upgrade ka na sa Max Victus or dumaretso ka sa Max Victus, automatically, will be, in your genealogy, naka-1 single account lang yan. Okay? Pero pumalo yan ng 7 accounts pataas sa mga uplines. Alright? Pero ikaw ngayon, naka-single account ka lang sa genealogy mo. Ngayon mga kaibigan, ito maganda. So umpisa, dahil naka-single account lang yan, left and right yan. Left and right ka lang pwedeng magbukas ng leg. Si kaibigan A and kaibigan B. Now follow me. Alright? Si kaibigan A, nakapag-build ng grupo. Si kaibigan B, nakapag-build ng grupo. Now let's say, si kaibigan A and his team, the full team, naka-accumulate ng 5 points. Si B at yung buong grupo niya, naka-accumulate din ng 5 points. Group accumulated points, hindi na ikaw ang bibili ng 5 points na to. Sila na yan. 5 group points, 5 group points. Every time, may 5 group points na lumalabas dyan, automatically, kaibigan, maa-awardan ka ng tinatawag na privilege slot. Ito na yung lalabas na yung second account mo at saka third account mo. Paliwanag? So, ibig sabihin, ito si Juan de la Cruz 1, Juan de la Cruz 2, Juan de la Cruz 3. So yung grupong build mo kanina sa left side mo, si Group A, mapupunta sa ilalim ng account number 2 mo. Alright? So kumbaga parang itong mga to, pag basta naka-Max Victus ka na, meron ng mga naka-shadow or parang mga kabote, nalilitaw na accounts mo, yung account number 2 and account number 3 mo. Alright? So ngayon yung grupo ni B, nasa ilalim na ng account number 3 mo. Again, remember, one of the regulations in the first world country for direct selling, you can add an account as long as nagpe-perform ka na at ginagawa mo na yung business. Pero sa umpisa, bawal mong bilhin ang multiple accounts. Bawal bilhin ang posisyon. So again, in preparation for our expansion internationally, in alignment to the regulations of direct selling in the first world country like in Canada, Europe, and in North America, ganito naka-design tayo. So umpisa, pagpasok mo ng Max Victus, naka-1 account, single account lang yan. Pero pag nag-build ka na ng grupo, pinili mo nang gawin yung business, nag-perform yung grupo, group points, 5 points, group accumulated 5 points, basta nakakaipon ng 5 points, kahit sinong mauna dyan, lalabas yung account number 2 and account number 3 mo. So pwede ka nang mag-direct ng bago dito sa left and right, pwede nang kumita si account number 2 ng matching din. So nagta-times 2 ka rin, nagta-times 2 times 3. Alright, clear? Now, pag naka 5 points ulit si Group A at naka 5 points ulit si Group B, lalabas na naman yung ating pang 4th and 5th, okay? Privilege slot. Ang tawag natin dyan ngayon, privilege slot. Maliwanag? So hindi mo na binibili yung account. Binibigay na lang sa'yo, re-reward sa'yo yan pag nagpe-perform yung grupo mo. Maliwanag yun kasi nag-upgrade ka na lang, hindi by adding account, nag-upgrade ka na lang by buying products. At ang malupit doon, pag ang grupo mo bumibili na ng product, lumalabas ngayon yung mga ad account mo. So may account 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 ka na. At dahil naka-Max Victus ka, pag naka 5 points ulit yan, at another 5 points ulit si B, grupo nila, the same group, lalabas na ulit yung account number 6, account number 7, kompleto na yung structure mo, perfect structure. Alright, so pwede ka nang mag times 2, times 3. Maliwanag ba yun? Yan, so a total of 15 group points on the left and 15 group points on the right para lumabas yung maximum PPS ng Max Victus na 3 sa left at 3 sa right. Maliwanag? So ganun ka pro-distributor, alright, ang ating marketing plan sa Silpro and OVI. Again, yung mga questions po ninyo, we will be answering that later in the question and answer. Just write it down doon po sa question panel natin. Meron tayo dito, makikita nyo sa Q&A panel natin. Alright, so we'll be entertaining questions later. Okay, 5 questions, 3 to 5 questions. Alright, so write it down sa Q&A. Alright? Okay, now look, again guys, ladies and gentlemen, that's the marketing plan. Marami pang future to. Very exciting. Ang future ng OVI and Silpro, mga kaibigan. Nagsimula lang tayo sa accident, pero abangan ninyo, very few months and years, we will get inside health protection, HMO, sickness and critical illness, non-life, car protection, motorcycle house, fire calamity, napakalaki pong industriya niyan. And of course, like I said, Silpro, anong advantage natin? Again, faster claim, faster coverage, affordability, napakamura, very accessible, cloud-based technology powered by artificial intelligence, fully digital, paperless, mga kaibigan, open for everyone. And of course, we are the only direct sales company that combines protection industry na ngayon, we can cover and seal the life of our OFWs. Basta Pilipino, kahit nasa ibang bansa ka, sa ibang bansa mangyari ang anumang unexpected event, makakakuha ang mga beneficiary dito sa Pilipinas or sa ibang bansa as well. Again guys, sealed ang mga OFW natin. Again, OVI and Silpro, our goal is to protect your present, protect your future, protect your assets, and protect your potential. Ladies and gentlemen, again, this is Miko Imson. I hope you're very happy. Bago tayo mag-Q&A, etong good news. May kasama tayo mga kaibigan, ha? One of our vice presidents. Pakilala ko na po mga kaibigan, ha? Let's all welcome our Vice President for Training and Network Development, Mr. Arnel Limpin.
All right. Good morning. Milyon. Can you hear me, Miko? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. We can hear you, sir.
Milyon palakpak muna kay Mr. Adrian Del Rosario and Miko Imson. Milyon palakpak. Grabe. Alam mo, habang nagkukwento si Brother Adrian, nag-explain si Miko, kita-kita ko yung mga nagko-comments, di ba? Baliw na baliw, very excited, hindi na rin siya makapaghintay, dumating yung August 15. So guys, napakalinaw po ng presentation ni Miko at saka ni Adrian. So feel na feel ko po, papasok lang mag-explain, feel na feel ko ang mga reaksyon ng mga tao. Ito po ang good news, ha? Since almost midnight na, ang good news po. At dahil gusto ko lang ipaalam sa lahat na the company, to the leadership of Doc Ed, Sir John Aspirin, Dr. Connie Cabantog, we're doing our best, okay? Para mabigyan kayo ng magandang serbisyo. Itong new division na to talagang ang magpapalaki lalo ng grupo ninyo at pagpapalaki ng inyong mga income, okay? So I'm very excited. Ako na lang po ang before tayo magkaroon ng Q&A, Miko, okay na ba si Adrian? Okay na ba?
Yes, sir.
Para si Sir? Okay.
Yes, sir. We're just spinning. Magpipin lang.
Okay. So before that, again, i-welcome muna natin si Sir Georgian Gonzalez.
Yes.
Para i-welcome George. Almost 1,500 ang ating mga leaders na nag-tune in ngayong oras na to.
Ibig sabihin yan, Brad, ganyan sila ka-excited